everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. And in this video we are going to be making some apple crisp. What we will need is 6 apples, and you can use any type of apples that you want. And some flour. And some brown sugar. Some white sugar. 1 stick of butter, which is equivalent to 8 tablespoons. And some oats. And some ground cinnamon. And now we need to move on to the first step. Alright, and then with the apples, we need to dice them. And what I like to do with the apples is I like to cut them in half, like this. And then cut it in half again to one side. And then the part with the seeds in it, we need to cut out. And then we can cut it like this. And then we do that for all 6 of the apples. Alright, and then after a few of the apples are cut up, we are going to put them into a bowl. And then we are going to cut up more apples and put it into a bowl. And then we're going to repeat that until all of the apples are cut up and put into the bowl. Alright. And after the apples are cut up like this, we are going to need to add the white sugar and the ground cinnamon. And we need 1 tablespoon of the white sugar. Then we level out. And it should look like this. And then we are going to pour that in there. Then we need 1 3/4 of a teaspoon of this ground cinnamon. And that's close enough. And then we need to add 3/4. I'm gonna try and get it close to. Yeah, it's about 3/4 right there. We're gonna pour that in. And then we are going to, and once the diced apples, sugar, and cinnamon are mixed together, it should look something like this. Right, and the next thing that we need to do is we need to mix together the brown sugar and the oats, the flour, and some ground cinnamon. And we need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, which it should look like that. And then with the oats, we need 3/4 of a cup of oats. Then we need to put that in. And then we need to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. It should look like that. Then we're going to pour that in. And then we are going to mix that together. And once that's mixed together, it should look something like this. And the next step we need to do is So we need to put the stick of butter into a cereal bowl. Then we are going to take a meat chopper and then kind of this with it. And it might be easier if you use a fork for it. With the fork, we could just do this with it to the butter. And then we are going to take the butter and put it into here and then mix it. And once that's mixed together, it should look something like this. And then we are going to move on to the next. Then we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then we need a baking dish. Then we're going to spray the baking dish with cooking spray. It seems all out. There. And then we're going to take the apple stuff and put it into the baking dish. Like that. And then we're going to take this and put it on here. And then kind of spread it out some. All the way across this. Then if you want to, for the topping filling, you can always make more and put it on there too. Yeah, I just realized I forgot to add the flour to the mixture that you put on top of the apples. And with the amount of flour that we need 3/4 of a cup for a single batch of the topping for it. Alright, and then once you have it ready, it should look something like this. Then we are going to bake it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes or until it's golden brown and bubbly. Once the apple crisp is done baking in the oven, it should look something like this.